Hey vlog, today I have an exciting vlog. Today I will be making my own DIY Bratz shirt. So I'm here at Michael's parking lot, but they don't open till 10 a.m. But there is a Starbucks and a Dollar Tree I do want to hit up before. So hopefully that kills an hour. Let's get started. So I got the Impossible sausage sandwich from Starbucks, which I love. And I got a grande iced brown sugar shaken oat espresso drink. I just love Dollar Tree, and they had all their Halloween October stuff out in October. Well, autumn is my favorite season of all the 4 seasons, and I'm super excited. They're releasing things like so early. It's still summer and I already feel the fall weather. I love pumpkin spice lattes. I love leaves. I love cornfields. I love doing all the spooky haunted stuff. So let's see what I bought from Dollar Tree. So they had these cute velvet pumpkins for $1.25. I got 4 of them because I wanted all the colors. So I got this light blue, this dark blue, this olive color, and these are all $1.25. Like, what? You can't even beat that price. And I got a classic orange one. So in all, these are all of them. Let's see if I could. So I'm ready for fall. And then I got a sign to put on my door. It says, "Happy Fall, y'all." I don't have any Halloween decorations because I had like glass pumpkins and my cat knocked it over, so I'm like, these are perfect. They're cat friendly, and if they fall they won't crack. So now we're just waiting for Michael's to open. I'll see you when we go inside. Michael's receipt here. I ended up spending $8.97 without tax, $9.24 with tax. I bought 2 of those lime green shirts and fine pointed Sharpies because I couldn't find the fabric pens that I was looking for. Let me show you what I got. So I got fine point Sharpie pens so I could just outline Brat. I have the heavy pointed ones at home, and then 2 lime green shirts. So I got this one in a large for myself. I like an oversized fit, and then I got a medium for my sister. So I hope these come out nice. Like I mentioned before, we're going to a brat party later this month. I cannot wait for that. And I'm all done with the Brat shirts. I created a large one for myself and a medium for my sister. I got the shirts at Michael's. I used a fine point Sharpie to outline the Brats, and then I used a Sharpie I had laying around to make it prominent, more bold text. I think they came out really well. It looks really good. Let me show you everything I used. Again, I used my iPad mini. So what I did was I googled Charlie XCX Brat logo. I found a good image of it, and then I took a screenshot, I blew it up, and I got this. And what I did was I got the shirt and I placed it under, and then I traced it with the Sharpie. Pretty simple, right? I saw me buy this at Michael's. This was in a 2-pack for $2.99. It's a Sharpie. It's the ultra fine point Sharpie, which made it very easy for me to outline the Brat. And then I had a regular Sharpie a Sharpie fine point, regular fine point marker. This was just in one of my crafts drawers, like where I put all my pens and pencils and paper clips, all that stuff, stationery that I might need. And with that one, after I fine pointed it and got all the edges, I just went in to make it bolder. You saw the video, or if you didn't see the video, I'm going to include a clip here or give you a recap of what I did. Once I had the outline of Brat with the fine point Sharpie, I got rid of my iPad from underneath it, and then I had an old cereal box. I cut it out, I put it under the shirt so that I had somewhere I could lean on, so that it was easier for me to trace. Excuse my cats, they're in their tunnel. And yeah, that was pretty much all I did. It took roughly around an hour. It wasn't that difficult, if you ask me. I'm not really that artistic. I took like one art class in high school, if even, and it was pretty simple. It was DIY. The shirt was $2.99. The Sharpies were a pack of 2 for $2.99. I got 2 shirts in total. I spent less than $10. Shout out to Michael's Craft Store. If you have one, go support it. Go make your own Brat shirt. And this is a disclaimer. I will be buying an official Brat shirt merchandise when Charlie XCX comes here in September for her Bratz tour. Well, the Sweat Tour with Troye Sivan. I will definitely be supporting her merch store and the artist. I always do. Keep streaming Brat. It's a Brat summer. I'll see you guys in my next video. If this is your first time seeing my face, I'm Jay Goldfinger. Subscribe for vlogs, DIYs I guess now, and just lifestyle content. I go to a lot of concerts, so yeah, that's an introduction of me. See you guys in my next video. Till next time, bye.